corporate is not right for you and your goal is to start your own business, don't worry, I've been there several times actually. Let me share with you the skill sets you need to prepare you to stepping onto the entrepreneur path like I did 3 years ago. First of all, you need to prepare yourself as a business owner. Number one, you need to learn business knowledge and business acumen. You need to understand how a business operates and what's the roles and responsibilities and obligations of a business owner. Number two, you need to practice self-awareness. Unlike working in an organization, you have peers and your boss give you feedback about your performance. Running a business, especially at the beginning, quite often you're alone. Nobody gives you that feedback about how you're doing as a business owner. So you need to practice self-awareness and understand your strengths and weaknesses and be able to reflect on your decision making. Number three, you need to have discipline. Being the boss of your own business, meaning you're the boss of your own time. Unlike working in a team, you're just showing up for your calendar. Your time is being planned for you. So managing your own time requires you having the discipline and commitment to the tasks you need to do and also the goals that you need to achieve. Number four, prioritization. Running a business, you naturally are wearing multiple hats at the same time. There's so many things you would like to do, but don't have time to do. So you need to learn how to prioritize your tasks so you can work smarter, not harder. Number five, decision making. Every step of the way, you're making decisions in your business. Whether it is good decisions or bad decisions, directly impact the business growth. So you want to equip yourself with the knowledge and skills to be able to make those good decisions so your business can continue to grow. Once you prepare yourself as a business owner, the second step is to learn to manage your business. In your project management days, it's just like running a small business under the umbrella of an organization. So naturally, you can reuse a lot of the framework and methodology from your project management days in managing your business. The most important skill you need is to manage your cash flow. Many businesses failed at cash flow, so you need to possess those financial management skills to get on top of your business finances. Secondly, you need to understand how to plan and execute your business strategy. Starts with vision and mission and setting goals, strategy planning, strategy execution. Number three, you need to be able to manage risks. You need to understand the risks, what impact they have for your business, how do you predict them, how do you manage and mitigate them, and how do you take actions accordingly. Number four, you need to manage your contractors and your team. As your business grows, you're probably starting by hiring contractors, so you need to manage their delivery of the work product to fulfill your expectation and your quality. And as your business grows further down the road, you probably need to start recruit and build a team. So you need to make sure you build a healthy team culture and you align them with your vision of the business. Once you start a business, the most important function is sales and marketing. So the number one thing you're doing is that you're creating a brand. A new business is also a new brand. How do you create that brand? You can outsource the work, but you need to have certain knowledge about how to establish a brand and also how to position a brand. Secondly, is your go-to-market strategy. No matter you're developing a product or you're providing services, you need to find a way to bring that to market. So what is your targeted go-to-market strategy to deliver that to your target customers? This is certainly the career path I chose. If this is the career path you're on, I'd love to hear from you. Please share with me where you are on your journey. Leave me a comment below and connect with me on LinkedIn. I hope you enjoyed this series of videos. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll see you in the next one.